What is going on, guys? Cholo here, and welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're gonna be doing a different kind of unboxing. No reviews, no pros and cons, nothing like that. Only pros because it's a collaboration with our good friends from Project 721. Before I get into this and I talk about the box on my lap, let me just invite you guys to our Unboxing the Next TechTuber contest. You have a chance to win 10,000 pesos if you're a second or third placer and 30,000 pesos if you're the first placer. Now, down to this box. It says here we're doing a chance to buy. So a chance to buy. So when you register, you have a chance to be picked to be able to buy one of the boxes. We have 25 boxes and there are 3 tiers to that. We have a 3,000 peso tier box, a 5,000 peso box, and a 10,000 peso box. Without further ado, let's check out what my mystery box has to offer. So yeah, these are the usual typical boxes that you get when you get fired, but it's the opposite for me. Since I'm the new blood in unbox.ph, they gave me this box to make a video for and show you guys what you can possibly get. I haven't opened this box before, so it's also a mystery to me. I have no idea. I'm looking at it right now. There's lots of orange gift wrapper inside it. Yeah, unbox orange. And the first thing we get is a sticker for Project 721. For those who hustle, you gotta keep hustling in the middle of this pandemic. Now, let's go from lightest to heaviest in the box. Now, this is the lightest thing in the box, and let me open it up. Of course, it's a face mask. It's a face mask, and the last thing I want to do is wear it before somebody else. So let's check that out. Yeah, it is from Project 721. I really dig this. Yeah, maybe I should get one myself. Item number 2 looks like it's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Cool. How many shirts? 1 shirt? Yeah. Let me open that up so I can show you guys what the shirt looks like. Yeah, it looks really dope. Really digging the graphics on this one. And the quality is really good. Really thick fabric. This thing is gonna last you a long while. Good quality t-shirt. Really big pocket. Yeah, that's the second thing we got in the mystery box. Alright, the next thing we're gonna get in this box is the second to the heaviest thing in this box, which is, oh, cool, dope. All right, cool. All right, it's a flare watch. It's a smartwatch. So let me show that to you guys. Yep, it's a flare watch, and so cool. It's a smartwatch, dust-proof and waterproof heart rate monitor, pedometer, activity tracker, phone notifications, and a sleep monitor. So everything that you can want from a smartwatch, you got it in here, in one of our mystery boxes. Next up is the final thing in this box, and it's pretty hefty, pretty heavy. Definitely tech. Cool. That's cool. And what better way to enjoy your flare watch? What better way to enjoy your flare watch than with the Flare S8 Pro? It came with the Flare S8 Pro, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, and it's all wrapped in plastic and everything too. So just a rundown on the specs, this thing has a 6.5-inch HD plus IPS TrueView display and 4 gig RAM, 64 gig internal storage. That's really cool. Yeah, we got a mix of streetwear and tech in this box, yeah? So to give you guys a quick rundown once again on the things that we got in this box, that is a sticker. We also got a face mask, a Project 721 face mask. Looks really, really cool. The quality looks really on point. And we also got a Project 721 t-shirt. So yeah, it says Dreamer and yeah, Project 721 Squad, I think, over here. Yeah, that's right. Really cool shirt, really good quality. And it's, yeah, I'd wear this thing. Yeah, I should ask Carlo for one of these. And yeah, we got a flare watch. So we got a lot of tech from this box. We got a flare watch and a Flare S8 Pro to go with it. That's the perfect combo. So not only will you get a smartwatch, but you're also gonna be getting a pretty beast smartphone with it. Yeah, so once again, if you want a chance to get one of these mystery boxes, please do check out the link below. Yeah, there are 25 boxes. Once again, there are 25 boxes. 11 will have phones, 9 will have sneakers, and the rest will have assorted gadgets and toys. So yeah, from this box alone, sulit na sulit. It doesn't matter, to me, it wouldn't matter if this was the 10,000 peso box, the 5,000 peso box, or the 3,000 peso box, because kung 10,000 peso box to, sobrang sulit na. Like, you got a smartwatch, a phone, a shirt, and a face mask. San ka pa? Yeah, so check that out on Project 721's Facebook page. Also, check us out on unbox.ph. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we have a YouTube channel, you're on it right now, and we also have some reviews on the website unbox.ph. Once again, I hope you guys can like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. Also, if you want to become part of the family, please do check out the Unboxing the Next Tech Tuber contest. You can win cash prizes and also join the Tech Mob. Also, don't forget to check out Project 721's mystery box collaboration with unbox.ph. That's right. I'm not even sure what tier this box is, but it's definitely, I'm sure they wouldn't send me the best box to show you guys right away. This is a pretty damn good box for whatever is inside. And once again, I am Cholo, and I will see you guys in the next video.